Namaste, dear cuties. How are you? Yeah, yes, I am fine. Hope you are all fine. This is Subhashri, working in Prasan Vidya Mandir School, Mamandur. The PPT was prepared by myself, Subhashri, presented by myself and my co-staff, Miss Shanta Kumari. I am handling the subject social for the classes 6A and B. Lesson 5, the Vedic Age, month July month, week second week, part 2. Before entering into the session, we can learn some new words. First one, hymns, a type of song written in the praise of gods. Again, hymns, a type of song written in the praise of gods. Megalith, a special word of burial. Megalith, a special word of burial. Next, expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to explain the changes that occurred during the later Vedic period, classification of Vedas, explain the social organization of later Vedic period, explain the political organization of later Vedic period, state the religious beliefs of human life, explain the case study of Enamagon. Now we are going to see the later Vedic period. It starts from 1000 BC to 600 BC. This period we call it as time of change and transition. It contains mainly three Vedas, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda, and also Upanishads, Arangyas and Puranas were also produced during this period. It tells us about the religious belief, society and culture of this period. Why is this period called the epic age? Yes, the events described in Mahabharata are believed to have taken place towards the end of the later Vedic period. Hence, this period we call it as epic age. Next, a time of change and transition. Aryans expanded from Punjab to the whole western Uttar Pradesh. They learned the use of iron weapons and horse-drawn chariot. So, chariot racing and gambling were the favorite pastime of the Aryans. They did better agriculture production. They well trained in arts and crafts and also other occupations, weaving, leatherwork, carpentry and pottery made great progress. Children, here you can see the pictures of many occupations. First one weaving, second one chariot making, third one carpentry, fourth one pottery, fifth one leatherwork. Next, political organization. During the period of later Vedic age, the kings became more powerful. The two assemblies, Sabha and Samati, was declined. The king's influence was strengthened by rituals and sacrifices like Rajasuya and Ashwamedha Yajna. Next, social organization. They divided the people based on Varna system. It was fixed according to one's birth. A person's Varna determined his profession, social and economical status. So, based on the Varna system, the duties are given. Brahmins, priests, sages, spiritual leaders and scholars, Kshatriyas, emperor, kings, rulers, ministers and administrators, Vaishyas, merchants, traders, shopkeepers, farmers and others. Shudras, hunter, gatherer, domestic labor and workers. So next we are going to see the man's life. In the later Vedic age, the man's life is divided into 4 stages. First one, brahmacharya or student life, grahistha, married life phase and duties of maintaining a household work. Third one, vanaprastha, retirement phase and handling over responsibility to the next generation. Sannyasa, phase of giving material desires and prejudices wandering around the world. Religion. During the later Vedic period, it became more complex. They follow many rituals and sacrifices. All this practice enhanced the status and respect the Brahmanas in the society. So they became more powerful and influential in the society. Case study of Enamagon. A special burial at Enamagon. It is a site on the river Ghat, a tributary of river Bhima. Here adults were buried in the ground. Sometimes buried were within the houses. Vessels with food and water were placed with the dead. Now it's a time to recall everything. Early Vedic society and later Vedic society. In early Vedic period, joint family system was not seen. But in later Vedic period, joint family system was seen. Women enjoyed equal status in early Vedic period. Status of women was reduced during the later Vedic period. Rigid caste system was not seen in the early Vedic period. Rigid caste system was seen during the later Vedic period. Gurukula system of education was followed during the early Vedic period. Gurukula system of education was further continued and enlarged during the later Vedic period. Comparative study of early and later Vedic economy. Early Vedic economy, domestication of animals was primary occupation and agriculture was secondary occupation. But in later Vedic economy, agriculture was primary occupation and domestication of animals was secondary occupation. Cattle was important source of wealth during the early Vedic economy. Land was important source of wealth during the later Vedic economy. Many were engaged in trade and commerce during the early Vedic economy. Traders guilds had formed and with use of coins and better transport facility led to growth in trade and commerce during the later Vedic economy. Four-fold Varna caste system. In early Vedic period, they divided the caste based on occupation, Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas and Shudras. Like the same thing, in later Vedic period, they divided based on Varna system, Brahmins, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas and Shudras. Position of women. During the early Vedic period, women were treated equal with men. They took part in social and religious function. But in later Vedic period, the status of women was reduced. They took part in all social and religious functions and gatherings. In early Vedic period, women got respected and well educated. In later Vedic period, few women received higher education. In early Vedic period, widow remarriage was prepared, but in later Vedic period, widows were not allowed to remarry. 4 ashramas are 4 stages of life. In early Vedic period, no such concept was not available. But in later Vedic period, the man's life can be divided into 4 stages: Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyasa. Thank you.